गुरुवर सामने मेरे, हो गए सपने सच मेरे। वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। गुरुवर सामने मेरे, हो गए सपने सच मेरे। वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। वो सूरज चांद के उजियारे, मिट गए जीवन अंधियारे। वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। कृपा तेरी है जो हम पे, भुला पाएंगे हम कैसे। जंग ये जो जीवन की लड़ेंगे तेरे बिन कैसे। अंधेरा जब घना छाए, तू सूरज बन के ही आए। मेरे जीवन में आशा की किरण बस तू ही तो लाए। गुरु को मैं करूं वंदन, तो जीवन बन जाए मधुबन। वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। गुरुवर सामने मेरे, हो गए सपने सच मेरे। वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास।
Sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you all?
We are fine, ma'am.
I have given you homework. Have you done it?
Sorry, ma'am, we have not done it.
Why? Why have you not done it?
We went to enjoy our village fair yesterday.
No problem, kids. Don't worry about your homework. Today, we are going to talk about village fair.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
But there is a teacher in Jinturaj school who is satisfied. During his class, students used to feel excited. His witty remarks were pleasing and delightful.
Next is Parmishra's class. I am excited. I have done my homework. I have also done.
I am waiting for him. What surprise will he give us today?
I am proud to have him as my teacher. When Mishra enters, there is pin drop silence in the class.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
How are you, students?
We are fine, sir.
Yesterday, I had told you something about the earth and the moon. Can anyone tell how they are related?
Yes, sir.
Sir, they are brother and sister.
What? How can you say such a thing?
Because we call Earth Dharti Ma and the moon Chanda Mama.
Oh haha, that's a new idea. But I had told you that the earth is a planet and the moon is a satellite. They have also been created by God. By the way, I had given you an assignment yesterday. Did you all do that?
Sir, will you punish me for something that I did not do?
Of course not.
Then I did not do my homework.
That was a tricky question. But I had told you the others have. I hope the others have completed your assignments. Tom, if you haven't done your homework, it's a serious lapse on your part.
I am sorry, sir. Next time I will definitely do my homework.
Don't repeat the mistake. By the way, now who can give me an appropriate caption for our project?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ankita.
Teach us the right way.
Very good, Ankita.
Sir, who will teach us the right way?
First, your parents and others at home. Then we, teachers in the school. Who else teaches the right way?
Our elders in the society.
That's right, Jack.
Say also, let's wish him. Yes, we should definitely go and wish him. Let's go.
Morning, sir. Morning, sir. Good morning. How are you all? After a long time you came. I am glad. Do you still remember me?
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, you were one of our dedicated teachers who never let us idle away our time. You motivated me by giving innovative ideas of learning. You are the one who made me what I am today. Sir, happy Teachers Day. I could not hold myself back without wishing you personally. I remember those old days of my schooling. Though I was a lazy person, you encouraged me. Now I am a prosperous business person today only because of you.
Sir, your teaching ability was such that any student could easily understand you well. We had no difficulty in solving any math problem. You had a vast knowledge in your subject. You were inspiration me to become a computer engineer.
Sir, your easy explanation and well-made thoughts made me to listen you more attentively.
Very good and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir. Dear teachers, thank you for inspiring us every day to do our best. Help us to strive our goals. We find guidance, friendship, discipline and love in one person, and that is you.
A teacher is like the rising sun that comes to fill the empty and the dark mind with the light of education. We wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day!
शोहरत भी है, इल्म की दौलत भी है, और तेरी दुआओं से हर कदम इज्जत भी है।